Little storyteller.
The big yellow Sunnyvale school felt quiet, too quiet. Its long hallways, usually filled with happy shouts, were empty. Even the colorful pictures on the walls seemed to droop a little. Leo, a boy with bright blue eyes and a smile like sunshine, lived next door to the school. He loved weekends, but this Saturday felt different. He heard a soft sigh. It sounded like it came from the school itself. He tiptoed closer to the school's big blue doors. "Are you sad, school?" he whispered. He imagined the school's walls, nodding slowly. It missed the happy chaos of the children. It missed the thump of little feet, the singing in music class, and even the giggles in the playground. Leo had a wonderful idea. He ran home, his red sneakers flashing. He told his best friend, Mia, who had curly brown hair and loved to draw. He also told Sam, who was always ready to play games, and had a gap-toothed grin. "Let's have a weekend noisy fun day at school," Leo announced. Mia clapped her hands. "We can bring our toys and draw big pictures." Sam bounced up and down, and play tag in the gym. Soon many children gathered at Sunnyvale School. They brought colorful balls, jump ropes, and even a little boombox for music. The school's playground, with its bright red slide and green swings, was filled with laughter again. Inside, Mia and her friends drew giant happy sunflowers on long sheets of paper. Sam and other children played a noisy game of tag in the gym, their sneakers squeaking on the shiny floor. Music filled the hallways as some kids danced and sang silly songs. The big yellow Sunnyvale school didn't sigh anymore. It felt warm and happy, filled with the joyful sounds it loved. Leo smiled. He was glad he could help his school. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in orange and pink, the children gathered one last time. Their teacher, Mrs. Lely, a kind woman with a twinkle in her eye, thanked them. "It's wonderful how you all work together to bring happiness to our school," she said. "It shows us that even big problems can be solved when we are thoughtful and kind to others." Leo, Mia and Sam felt happy. They learned that being kind and thinking of others can make everyone feel better, even a big yellow school. And they knew that even though weekends are for rest, sometimes a little bit of happy noise is good for everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.